Here is how to enable camera access for Roblox on your Android phone. When you use the Roblox application and need to use features like camera or microphone, a pop-up will ask for permission and you can allow or deny it according to your preference. If you don't see the pop-up, you can go to your phone settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Roblox application and open it. Now go to the permissions tab and make sure that you have given permissions to camera. Open it, tap on allow while using the app. You'll also see which features are currently allowed. If the camera isn't allowed, it will be listed there. You can tap on it and activate it. Many people choose allow only while using the app, so the camera works automatically whenever it's needed in Roblox. This way, you don't have to worry about it in future. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.